Most people cry over no cake. I cried because my first birthday party turned into a full-on parental WWE match. And I'm going to tell you why in this video. So stay tuned. If you, wait, what I'm about to say, if you know me, then I'm Tandis. Wait, but what I'm trying to say is like, welcome to my channel, Tandis Charm. I'm an independent recording artist and a cover artist and also a digital creator. And if you enjoy story times, then you're in for a treat. And today I'm just going to be talking about birthday blues and basically I made this video because I was inspired by Carrington's video recently. Like Carrington is like a TikToker and he makes some really funny, crazy, wacky TikTok videos. And he made a recent song called like I don't know the name of it, but it goes something like, with every single birthday, no presents from dad. And like, he sung it like that. And I randomly thought about like maybe making like a video inspired by his song and giving him a little soft promo too, and talk about growing up without birthdays and how it affected me, and like tips for everybody that have birthday blues and stuff like that, because a lot of people have that. And as somebody that barely celebrated anything, it's like, wow, why y'all sad out here? Like, there's a whole big world out here and y'all out here sad. But anywho, let's get into the video. When I was younger, I didn't celebrate holidays like that because my father was like a non-Jehovah's Witness and my mom was one. And like, I'll say that like I never celebrated holidays, something like that, but like I would get a birthday cake the day after or the day before. The day after I turned my age. That's the reason why I thought I was like 23 and I'm actually 24 years old. But and that would happen sometimes. I can only count on like 3 fingers when that actually happened. And I think I only had like 2 birthday parties, kind of. And it was never truly a birthday party. It never worked out. And I remember one time I had like a Powerpuff Girl birthday cake, and I didn't really celebrate it, but like I got the cake and the icing and all of that, but it was just like, it was whatever. It was just whatever, you know what I mean? And it didn't really, like, I didn't like, I think I remember I got like a polish set, but it was kind of like, I'm just a mess, kind of. And my mom didn't want that. Because like, my mom is, a person that doesn't believe in holidays and stuff like that. And basically I only had like a few, like literally just like a few birthday parties. Sorry y'all, I'm kind of yawning. I'm kind of tired, but I only had like a few little birthday parties, but that was about it. And the rest of my life, I did not celebrate anything like that. I just went to David Buster's, Chuck E. Cheese, and went out to eat, went on a picnic, stuff like that. And I don't want to get mine, but I know a lot of people have birthday blues. Even Carrington, he made that song called Every Single Birthday, No Presents from Dad. Like, it's giving emo, boy pain. And I don't even know what pose that was, but it's giving that. And it's sad that some people feel that way. And like, I understand like how some people feel, because like if that's your tradition that you do, then like I'm pretty sure you would feel sad. But personally for me, I've always been thankful that like I didn't grow up actually celebrating any birthdays, because I was like, oh my god, like literally my mom was broke. Like, we was broke, moving place to place, trying to escape my abusive father, back then. And you know, if my mom were to buy me a cake and buy me a present, then we probably wouldn't be able to eat in like for 2 months. Like, cause it'd be like, you had a birthday, you remember? You want your birthday? Like, I can already picture that. So I'm just like, I'm just kind of like happy that like I grew up without it, you know. And I just more enjoy like meaningful, big, lavish gifts. Like if somebody ever want to give me it, but just like meaningful things, whatever. Um, Cause like that would be a mess. That would be a mess. Like if my mom, like, well, actually, I don't want to say a mess, cause like it just be real. You know, she wouldn't be able to buy any gifts, but like it would be okay. But yeah, and I know a lot of people like with being on TikTok in the digital era. You know, I see a lot of people talk about like how nobody didn't come to my birthday party, and you know they be crying and stuff like that. And I just be wanting to kind of like hug people like inside the screen, because it's like, girl, if I was your best friend, I would be like, let's go out to the mall, let's go get dressed up, let's go do movies, let's go do makeovers, like, you know, because you know, for me, how can you miss something that you ain't really never done in your life? You know, how can you miss something that you ain't really never done? But I would be like, girl, we like, let me pull you out the slump, because some people be really sad, and stuff like that. Yeah, you know, I was just thinking like, if I ever have children, and I'm not, you know, I date somebody, you know, outside the religion that my mom was raised me on and stuff like that. Would they have a birthday party? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. But I do know a lot of people have birthday blues though, because of the disappointment of gifts, disappointment of people not showing up. And honestly, I can't really tell nobody how to be, because I never I have wait. What? I haven't experienced that before. But what I can say is that it's good to be grateful for life. Like, live and just be, you know, the power in life. Like, you don't have to wait for anything. And don't let anything like holidays. Like, a lot of people don't like holidays because it's like, when it's Christmas time, it's like, dang, ain't got nobody special to spend with. Or like Mother's Day, oh, my mother left me. Or something like that, you know. And I just feel like you're valid for feeling that way. Like, that's like what you grew up on. But like, it's going to be all right. And try to like have a fun time outside of national holidays and stuff like that, because you'll be okay. But that's only if you see it through and you're watching this video and you actually believe me. You know, because I'm all right. You know, because I'll just play board games, you know, a lot and stuff like that. And yeah, it's good to kind of like celebrate yourself. You should, you know, show love for yourself every day. Sometimes take yourself out on like a special date, or like make yourself a special meal. And don't wait for people to show up, especially if you don't have that many friends, or friends that are like true best friends and stuff like that. Because some people on TikTok, like, their friends really didn't come up to your birthday party. And like, I could understand that for real. But my hair is too thick for my own good, and I want to like braid this up really quickly. But basically, find gratitude in life. I know it's easier said than done, but don't let the little stuff sweat you. And honestly, I'ma still be jamming to Carrington's song every single birthday. The presents from Dad. Yeah, and I'm about to go be wait. I sound like I literally sound like I said I'm about to go pee, but I'm about to go listen to that song and jam it out a little bit. And yeah, if Carrington ever sees this, hi Carrington, you know, honestly, I don't even know if he's actually gonna see it, but like, he's so talented. But yeah, and this is a very short little video, a little PSA. You know, I'm opening up, I'm, you know, sharing my story to the interwebs. and freak. Just freak. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. Also, are you having problems making groceries? I know I have, because groceries have been so expensive, and Five Surveys is a survey site that only takes like 5 bars to reach $5, and you can make so much more, like $100 on there and stuff like that. And I have made $90 in the span of 2 weeks, and it has helped me so much with making ends meet and getting like groceries, because like can't nobody cater to my vegan diet like this anymore. So, click the link in the description below to Five Surveys and make an account. And once you make an account, and actually earn money from a survey, I make a commission too. So check that out. Help me out. I'll help you out. Mikasa Sukasa, kind of thing like that. So y'all, I just dropped some new merchandise, and I made some amazing cute new t-shirts and tumbler cups on my merch shop, which you can check out right now in my YouTube description, in the description box below. And if you're interested in supporting me and supporting the channel and supporting the brand that I'm building, then check out my merch shop and enjoy like the t-shirts or tote bags or tumbler cups that you really like. Other than that, enjoy the video. And also check in the YouTube description below for Temu coupon codes for 30% off your purchase on Temu, and also $100 off on your trip to Temu when you make like a purchase and stuff like that. And yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my newsletter for amazing YouTube videos. Bye.